Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine at home. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can log in your Microsoft Team app and how you can join the class. Okay, the domain which we were using earlier, that is going to stop now, and a new user ID and password will be issued to you by the concerned teacher. इन योर पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी आपको अपना यूजर आईडी, आपका यूजर आईडी और पासवर्ड मेल कर दिया जाएगा टीचर के द्वारा इन योर पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी. विद दैट पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी एंड पासवर्ड you have to log in your Microsoft team. Okay, it's my advice to you all those are operating the Microsoft team in mobile phones. First of all, you uninstall your app, because if you uninstall your app, the previous credentials will remove from there. First you uninstall your app in mobile phone, then you reinstall from the Play Store. अपनी ऐप को एक बार अनइंस्टॉल करके दोबारा इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए अपने मोबाइल फोन में. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द स्टेप्स इन मोबाइल फोन as well as in laptop. So I am going to tell you in laptop, and whatever the step is required in from the mobile end, that I am also going to share with you. So first of all, from the laptop end you have to open the Google Chrome. Okay, so here you just fill google.com. Now here you have to fill in the Google Microsoft Teams login. You have to press enter. Then you have to click Microsoft Teams. So in the first tab you have to click here and listen. In this you have to click. They are asking about the language. Just close it. So just sign in. But mobile end पे you already have the app there. Okay, so just install that app and open your team app, and in that you have to log in. For the login, whatever the user ID and password is provided to you in your school email ID by the teacher or by the school, you have to fill here only. Nobody is allowed to fill the personal email ID and all that. जो यूजर आईडी और पासवर्ड आपको स्कूल की तरफ से दिया जाएगा वही फिल करना है अपनी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम ऐप पे भी, और इफ यू आर यूजिंग इन द लैपटॉप देन आल्सो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू फिल माय, दैट इज this is DPSKL, not I, not 1, DPSKL dot so username, your username will be also similar like this, means this username will be changed and the behind one is the same one. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, don't be confused, it is DPSKL. Don't confuse कि this is I or 1, it is L. Okay, so L for Loin. So you have to click next here. Same way in your team ID you have to log in with this account, but one thing I want to tell you here bete, when you click on next, in my part they are asking me to enter the password, but in your part when you log in with your user ID and password first time, they will ask you to change the password. Which option you will get there? Current password, because you already have the current password is with you, because the school will send you this user ID and password. आपको already आपकी स्कूल में पर्सनल बिल पे आ गया होगा. So that is the user ID you have already filled, और password भी उसी के साथ होगा. तो you have to fill this current password here. Then the new password, it is your own choice, whatever you want to choose, but it should be the combination of capital letters, small letters, numeric character and special symbols. Special symbol means star, hash, or any special symbol you can use here. Okay, I just give you the example. Let's say capital PAK Just to example, you can choose in that way. PAK, let's say 1 2, or let's say PAK HS small, then is a at symbol or any other symbol I'm using at 1 2 3. So that way here you see capital letter is also there, small letters is also there, at is a special symbol, you can use hash also, star M also, then the numeric character is also there. So in that way you can create your, or you can set your password. So you have to set the password. Okay, so for that, when you change that, then you allow you to log in that. So आप change करने के बाद टीम ऐप पे login हो जाओगे. So I'm going to fill my password. So you can use no here, but in mobile phone you will directly enter in the Microsoft Team app. So now you see your Microsoft Team app is going to open. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Team app. You see this is your account. They are asking you to download the app, but I'm not going to download. If you want to download, तो यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो. Desktop app लानी है. If you want to take the desktop app, then you have to click here. You are able to download the app. But I'm not going to download. So you can see this is my username and my status is available. Make sure your status should also available. Clear? And you see if you are the student of 9th class, तो आपको आपकी क्लास यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड पे शो हो जाएगी. क्लास 9, क्लास 8 और whatever the class is belong to you. Okay, that is showing to you. So आपको कुछ नहीं करना. In your mobile also you just active in your team ID. That's it. A timetable will be scheduled to you, and that timetable will be telling to you in your groups. Okay, timetable will be informed to you in your groups by the principal sir. With that timetable, say 10 o'clock you have a class. So before 5 minutes or exactly on 10 o'clock, you just active in your team ID. Now, how you will receive the call and how the call will come to you. Earlier you were facing lot of difficulties. Some are not getting the call and all that. But by using this domain, it is sure that you will get the call. But you must active here in this app and you will get the call. That's it. Now this is the user end ID which I have shown you right now. Now I am going to switch to the teacher part. So you see your class is, so say ये class 10 के student की ID है team app पे, means class 10 is a class of that student. So आपको आपकी class show हो रही है, you just active in that. Now teacher will go to in that team, say class 10 optional. I think I am already active in that team, that's why. Yes, this is the one. Teacher will select the team. It is not your duty, it is the teacher part. Teacher will make the call to you by using this meet now option. So they click over here. Now teacher will make the call. This is the teacher and you no need to worry about that. आपको सिर्फ आपका end देखना है. So teacher will dial the call from here part. Now the call is dialed. You see. Now अब आपको देखना है कि how you will receive the call. So I am going to open your student end. तो ये देखो student end पे अपने आप आपके पास join की option आ जाएगी in your mobile phone and in your laptop also. You just have to click over here and you will see कि after clicking they again ask you to join. Join now means you are able to join the class, because this is the video. If you want to turn off, this is the mic. So again you have to click here, join now, and you are getting into the class. That's it. So you see your class is started now because you are able to see that camera, and now the members of show participants. So you see there are demo is there. So you can see this is the class student. Those are active here. Two members are here. One is mine is the organizer, and another was the demo. That is for the student end. So you see this is the way a student is in the class, on whatever the teacher will speak, you are able to listen, or whatever the content he or she is sharing with you, you are able to get. So I hope this is a simple method to receive or join the class, from where you can disconnect the class by using this hang up button, and you will be leaving from the class, and from the teacher, and also they will also disconnect the call. Okay, so it's a very simple method बेटे. आपको सिर्फ जिस टाइम पे आपकी क्लास है उस टाइम पे टीम आप पे आके बैठ जाना है. मींस यू हैव टू ओपन दैट ऐप ओपन होगी तो टीचर, whenever the teacher dial the call, it is assured that you will receive the join option. वो join option अपने आप आपको visible हो जाएगा in your mobile and also in your laptop and also, and you have to click join. Then again it will means the window will open, click join there, and you're able to join the class. I hope by watching this video how to join the class, how to open in the Microsoft Team ID, it's clear to you. So thank you, have a nice day.